Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from brillicaservices. Firstly, look at this beautiful portrait. It's looking too eye-catching. So without wasting time, let's make it again. Firstly, you need one dark portrait image. Make a duplicate with Ctrl J. Go to the filter and make it little bit blur. 4.5 and save it in PSD format. Portrait. Now delete the above image. Choose the text tool and write a content as you want according to requirement. I have already copied a dummy text, so I just copied from the sticky notes and from Control plus V, I'm pasting that text in this image. Now go to the filter again, then distort, displace, convert to smart object, click on OK, choose that file that we have saved before and then open. Okay, it's done. Now go to your layer panel. I'm just showing. Firstly, unlock the image. Add one more solid color, black. Arrange the solid color to down. Image to the top and click. Right click. Then create clipping mask. Then that's it. It's done. Guys, thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next video.